And our presenter for the evening, in this corner, weighing 105 pounds, with a record of 3 science experiments, 8 science tests, and 32 science quizzes, Kevin Moss.
Yes, all of that was true. But let's cut to the chase. My science experiment. My question was, would an open bottle of water freeze faster, or would a closed bottle of water freeze faster in a GE freezer? So my prediction to this question before I did all the data was I thought an open bottle of water would freeze faster because the air would have an easier time, the cold air would have an easier time getting to it. So yeah, and how do I do it? I put 2 bottles in the freezer, one open, one closed. Check every 1 to 5 minutes if it has either frozen completely or if it has started to freeze. And then jot the times down, and then that's it. And then do it about 5 times. I did 4, but 4 trials. And then yeah. So yeah. And while I was getting my data, while I was collecting my data, there was like a pattern. It was very consistent. Like, there was no sudden changes. Like, as you can see in this graph, it's not very ziggity-zaggity. It's very consistent between all the colors. So, and to the graph, the red is the open bottle time. The red is the open bottle time, and the purple is the closed bottle time. And if you can see that, the red is significantly lower than the purple. So that shows that the open bottle of water freezes faster than the cold bottle of water. Then the opened bottle of water freezes faster than the closed bottle of water. I got it right. Okay, so yeah. And then, I mean, there has to be something to show. There's got to be some reasoning. Like, why did this happen? Is it just luck? No, it's not just luck. It happened because when the cap is off, the water vapor, it's cold. It can come in a lot faster because the cap is off and it leaves like a big, huge hole. But when the cap is on, it can't get through as easy because there's a big, fat cap covering it. So it's hard to get through and make it cold and freeze. So that's the reasoning and evidence why the open bottle of water freezes faster than the closed bottle of water 4 times in a row. So yeah. And application, if I compared this to the outside world and I did something about it, if it was in the summertime, and I had a bottle of water I wanted to put in the fridge, I would take a cap off because I wanted it to be a little bit cooler and get me refreshed. So, but if it was like the winter time and I was freezing, I would leave the cap on because I wanted it to be a little bit warmer. Because, I've already been refreshed because it's freezing outside, like it used to be. And then, so yeah, that's it. Yeah. Thanks for your time.